Welcome to our Mathematics 5 lesson. Today, we will learn how to find the area of a triangle using a simple formula. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve real-life problems involving the area of triangles measured in square centimeters and square meters. Our learning goal is simple. You should be able to identify the base and height of a triangle and use the correct formula to calculate its area. Before learning triangles, let's remember the area of a rectangle. Multiply the length by the width. 8 times 5 equals 40 square centimeters. Every triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. To find its area, we only need the base and the height. The height is not always one of the triangle's sides. It is the shortest distance from the base to the opposite vertex, forming a right angle. Unlike a rectangle, a triangle uses only half of the rectangle's area because 2 identical triangles can form one rectangle. To find the area of a triangle, multiply the base by the height, then divide the product by 2. Imagine putting 2 identical triangles together. They create a rectangle. Since one triangle is only half of the rectangle, we divide the area by 2. A triangle occupies half the area of a rectangle with the same base and height. Let's solve our first example. Multiply 10 by 6 to get 60. Half of 60 is 30. Therefore, the area is 30 square centimeters. Answer: 30 square centimeters. "12 times 8 equals 96. Divide by 2 to get 48 square centimeters. The area is 48 square centimeters. Multiply 14 by 9 to get 126. Divide by 2. The area is 63 square meters. Always remember to write square meters when measurements are in meters. Pause the video and solve these problems. Resume the lesson once you're done. Try solving these on your own. Let's check our answers. Great job if your solutions are correct. Keep practicing. Real-life objects like gardens and roofs are often triangular. We use the same formula to calculate their area. The triangular garden has an area of 90 square meters. Avoid these common mistakes. Always divide by 2, use the perpendicular height, and write the correct square unit. Check your work carefully before writing your final answer. It's quiz time! Pause the video and solve each problem independently. Good luck! Let's see how you did. If you got all 3 correct, excellent work! Congratulations on completing the quiz! Today, we learned how to find the area of a triangle by multiplying the base and height, then dividing by 2. Always remember the formula, and don't forget the unit. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to find the area of a triangle. Keep practicing, because every problem you solve makes you a better mathematician. See you in our next lesson.